first from audience, I like to give a short intro of your. She is one of my dearest and closest friends, Sunanda Pas.
Hello everyone.
I like you to say about your ongoing things right now, ongoing things about on your in your mind and about things you are doing in your life currently.
Hello
Briefly.
everyone. Myself Sunanda Paswan. Now I'm doing here. I'm doing my office executive course. I have completed my masters from Vishwa Bharati and my bachelor's from Asansol Girls College. I'm very much thankful to Rakhi for having me here.
Okay, thanks, Sunanda. That was lovely. I would like you to share your future thoughts about your personal growth.
Now I am developing myself, and I'm very much sure that I'm going to grow much higher.
I too agree with you, Sunanda, and my audience will too. You will definitely get to the topmost place where you deserve to be, and you
Thank
truly
you.
get there. All our best wishes are with you.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's just start our discussions. Okay, I like you to say something on the hot debate topic nowadays, the AI. Would you like to say some words or share your thought process about the same?
In the today's class, where sir said that AI not going to replace human as much we are thinking. The hype is there, and sir, the hype decreased. So I think I agree with sir. To some extent, here AI may not take that position, but as the time passes, the AI will take the places of human.
As I come to know about what you said right now, I believe AI won't just completely overpower us right now or in few years, but it definitely will overpower us in past 20 or 30 years or like 2 3 decades.
Hmm.
I'm saying about like nowadays the right now it's hot debate topic, or we say it's the hypest. The hype is at the topmost place. I like you to share your thought process on how you are going to be the what supporting it in the way, or how we are going to fight against this hype or this AI world emerging, or the lacking of job opportunities and etc. on these topics.
The only thing to tackle this is just to learn it, wholeheartedly learn the process, go with the process, go with the flow, you're gonna win.
Yeah, so I totally agree with this. Learning can, what can we want to do if you truly want to do it with all our heart in. Okay, I like you to share your thought process, or I would like you to share your personal thoughts on your friends or your kind of people you're surrounded with. What influence they what impacts they put on your personal growth, or in a professional life.
There are two type of people, one is positive, one is negative, everyone knows it. Go with the positive person, whatever come positive, take it, accept it. Whatever comes negative, just neglect that. That's it.
Yeah, that lovely. I too want to know about your some of your friends, a bit about them. Would enlighten us to know what kind of lovely people are surrounding you, and what are the reasons of your prettiest smile.
Only two most favorite person, means one is my entire family, and the other comes here is here also a group of people. Rakhi is there,
Oh,
Satyam is
thank you.
there, and Kaushik is there, and two other peoples are there. Two other people comes, my family member is there. Their names I can't take. They are also there for me. They have always been there. I always thank God for for giving them in my life as a beautiful gift. I'm so
Okay,
thankful.
from your personal sayings, I got to know that you're too close to people surrounding you. They are the they are the people motivating you on daily basis.
Hmm.
They are the people who shapes us personally, who makes us better person from in and out. Okay, I would like you to share your thoughts on something not talked on. What do you think about Indian marriages or their concepts or their typical thinking of their rituals or the typical thoughts of marrying in especially in Indians family?
India is full of
What are
culture.
your thoughts on that? What do you think about marriages?
Marriages are very beautiful.
I do agree.
If it goes in a right way. If it is in a wrong way, it's horrifying.
Scariest thing in the world.
So
I like.
please go with a person who loves you more than you love yourself. That's it.
Okay, that's lovely. I believe respects to play a great role. What are your thoughts on this?
Yeah, too. Where respect exists, love exists. If no respect, no love. That's it.
Yeah, true. Because I believe somewhere I think or believe that love can somewhere give. It can't be always 100%. Sometimes can be 20, 30, can be 10, 20, or it
Depend
can
on
be
the situation.
depend on the situation or the problem we are facing. Because our mental states of mind does not same stays the same all the time. So I would like you to say when there's a decrease due to any sort of situation in the love, what takes the marriage forward or the relation forward?
It's just the patience, respect, care, kindness. These are the things which take take your marriage to long journey.
Yeah, I do believe these are the
Basic.
somewhat the pillars
Hmm.
to be to strengthen the relationship with any sort of people, maybe with your life partner, friends, or anything. I think loyalty too plays an
Yeah,
important
yeah, yeah.
role.
Biggest.
If the person isn't loyal to you, might be we does not share our 100% thoughts at the time, but we should share somewhere at the front or the back end, and to make it a marriage to transparency level. Okay, I would like to conclude this session with some of your personal thoughts to the personal good wishes or thinking to our audience and to your friend Raki.
I am very, very, very